Hey, hey, I'll get on with y'all in a minute.
So
Okay.
yeah, fire separate. Yes, fire separate. But priority is not. There's no low priority. I would do Bravos. That's
Yeah, I even use Bravo 5, that's fair. So I did Bravo 1 to 4.
next. Bravos. I will leave.
All right, what should I bring up first? Hmm. All right, I'll bring up satellite first because that's pretty interesting to look at.
You already have.
Do you need me to mute?
All right,
Alright.
can you see?
So that's what's more powerful. There's
Can
no
you see
crazy
now?
difference. The size is negligible. There's a size. Negligible, so it don't matter. But that's just CTX.
All right. Can you see anything, Ryan?
Make it easy.
Yep, I am. Mine it shows, so that's weird. Hmm. I hate technology. Maybe. Okay. Um, is there any way I can view your video? Okay, cool. Alrighty. It's definitely getting its act together. Just by the last few frames of satellite. Now my thing is
Same page, haha.
so what I was looking at was where's it go? So the water temperatures are pretty interesting because that cold weather we had for a little bit dropped the temperatures to mid 70s, which I'm wondering if that's going to weaken the storm at all. But I mean, down here in the 84-degree water, it went from a storm to a 4. So anything's possible. As you can see right here. So that's the ocean heat content. I haven't even looked at the models. Hold on one second. The GF8. Yeah, that's a really weird run. Wow, that's interesting. Wait, can I interrupt you for just one second? So I know you're like getting in and around. I'm looking at the GFS, so I'm right where you are right now. If you go forward a little bit, they say this cold front coming down is supposed to sweep it up and get it out of here. Look at this latest run. It has it stalling out, kind of coming back around, and then just sitting, coming back out into the Gulf, and then drifting away. But that's not till Saturday, which did catastrophic, especially right at hour number 108. So go to hour 96 and just watch, and then go forward. And look at all that rain. So, so from yeah, so from Wednesday to what, Friday, possibly, it could just be nonstop rain. That's let's see what the rainfall is. And I know the models like um do not do rainfall very well. Um, okay, so the GFS rainfall's not even out yet. It's only till Wednesday, and we're already at 2 inches of rain.
So we're looking at localized flooding.
Now, now look at the CMC. I don't agree with that at all. It would be the Canadian model. Yeah, it's different name for your different websites. But if you look at that new run, that 00Z run, I don't agree with that at all. I don't see how that's going to happen. That's the outlier. It's been the outlier always. And I know the CMC has not been performing well this year either. More of a snow event than a tropical storm event. Ooh. Now, do you get GFS parent on that pivotal weather? That might be the high res one. Um, okay. Um, if you go in tropical tidbits, look at GFS parent for their 00Z. Look at that monster. And then it has it slingshotting back up into Cedar Key. And then by Thursday, it will move out of here. So from Monday to Thursday, just constant rain. And that model showing 9 inches of rain, by the way. And then the Navy, I know the Navy is not a good model necessarily, but their latest run, they have it coming in about Melbourne area, coming across the state, coming off the coast of Clearwater, kind of sits out there for 2 days, and then gets skirted off eventually by Wednesday. So Monday it crosses across the state, sits out in the Gulf for a day and a half, and then eventually exits off. And that's one of the faster model runs. Now the icon just shows it kind of sitting there. It kind of like the CMC, and then it just shows it sitting in the same spot for days. Yep. Now the Euro has it going to Alabama. The Euro is the outlier this time, which is unusual for the Euro model, European. Yep. I'm looking at H-Wharf right now. Not quite updated on their 00Z, but I'm looking at their 18Z. Very interesting. That would be worst case for us. But look at all that rain. And then if you keep going, it gets even worse. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. And yeah, the models are even more. It's looking to be. I'm more worried about the rain than the wind at this point. Because I remember Debbie and it flooded out my area really bad because I'm right on the Anclote River pretty much. And when Debbie hit, the Anclote went to like 20, 28 feet, and that flooded out a lot.
I'm in the first flood zone. I think that's A. Do you see that deep convection popping up? Ryan, do you use DuPage?
All right, good.
That's my favorite.
Yeah. Which it could ramp up again.
Plug them right
Yeah. Nope. Wow. Um. Hey, so real quick, do you
Which
have
one
you're on
thousand
DuPage, right?
can't load it because it has a very minimal channel capacity.
You're on DuPage, Ryan, right?
You can see to make
Look on the models if you have a chance at Nam Nest. I know it's
how much.
look at that model though. I'll just tell you it's about 970 something on the approach into Miami at hour 58.
Ooh, I like that. Yeah. I like that.
Yes, sir. And the NAM regular showing it too. But the NAM regular is almost like the CMC where it kind of goes out and then just stalls.
No.
Would not let me do it. Maximum number of records exceeded. And I did. Yeah. Maximum number of records exceeded in zone channel assignment.
Wow. Look at that, Austin.
Move down a little bit. Oh, I like.
Are you looking at the GEFS? That's what I was doing. I'm looking at the mean and the ensemble precipitation accumulation. Wow. All I say is wow. Um, that's great. That's crazy. And that's just before the storm's even getting there. That's not even the full run. Yeah, and that's when it would be, let's see. Where's that prediction? Not prediction. Where's that storm going to be sitting? It'd be sitting right off our coast on a lot of them. On the ones with the heavy rain. It'd be sitting right off our coast. I'm looking at the
I'm
screen
surprised
with
we haven't had any storms pop up yet with the moisture.
yeah. I'm looking at the screen with all the 20 ensembles. That's crazy. Anklet River. Worthington Gardens. Cypress Creek at Worthington Gardens. Okay, so I'm looking at the Anklet River right now. It's sitting at 8.4 feet. Newport Richie. Well, 8.31. Yeah, it fluctuates between 8.4 and 8.3. Wow, that's surprising. Minor flood stage on Anklet's 20. Major's 25. The NWS, surprisingly, is only giving us a 20 and 40% chance of rain all week. They have our winds up, but no rain. Which I'm kind of. Don't you guys find it ironic that the news is not even talking about this at all? I think I've only seen like one or two people talking about it. Nobody knows about it. Let me check what that is on the Anklet. Hold on. They're expecting a 2% chance, between a 2 and 1% chance for the Anklet, and that's only at minor flood stage. But if anybody knows this area, you know how quick that river goes up. And yeah. Now, have you guys noticed the pressure? It's at 30.02, and it's been kind of sitting there. Hasn't really moved much.
No, not really. I'm just watching satellite right now. We seem to be getting a lot of upper level moisture feeding in or starting to feed in over the state. I'm not sure about lower yet, but I'm just surprised we haven't had more rain. Miami's getting stuff as usual, but it almost looks like, yeah, it's all coming out of the east. I'm surprised you'll probably be getting stuff soon. Yeah, nothing over here yet. We'll just have to see how it plays out and what the high does.
Yeah, I don't. Let me see what the high pressure is. Right now, the flow is basically where the storm's going to be going, doing that zigzag. And the models are coming into very good agreement on that.
Bro, I've been posting to Facebook. I'm already fucking banned again.
They'll do consecutive things, or it just goes right over.
Yeah. And then it's going to get caught between the ridge and the. And then it's going to. Yeah, and it's going to get caught between that, and then it's going to have nowhere to go. And that's why it's going to stall out. That too.
Oh, and then because I disagreed with her.
Yep. And we'll be along with you.
All right.
Oh, no. So that means we just talked for nothing.
Do we need to redo it?
Hey, guys, I found the center. Look right here. I found the center. It's right here.
So you think if I posted a black picture on Facebook, says it's black, right? And then they try to ban me, I'd be like, I'm black.
That's fine. PCSO, surveillance 3.
Is it scanning? Is it scanning or is it on the? It's on the. Scan. Ryan, your phone's gonna die.
Hey, Ryan, charge your phone. Jacob, you want to put that on? I put you on there. Life 360. So if you're in an emergency, you can hit it.
Did you put me on them already? And then I have to delete it.
I know. We'll put it on there. I'll go to the sec.
I'm gonna like it. That's that shit you put Brandy, track your location.
Oh yeah, and then I took her off.
Hey,
Yeah.
you should add me to
Yeah,
your Life
nobody was
360. I
there.
don't have it.
You need to go on there, Shane.
Especially this weekend.
Yeah. All right.